Okay, check this out. I have here the ace of diamonds and the jack of clubs. Now, watch carefully. I'm gonna take the ace of diamonds, place it down, take the jack, and place it here. Now, all I have to do is that, and it changes places with the ace. Again, next all I have to do is take the jack, watch carefully, 1, 2, 3. And now, the jack of clubs is here, and the ace of diamonds is here. If you don't believe me, watch carefully. Place the jack of clubs face up in the center, and they snap. And now, the ace of diamonds is back face up, and the jack of clubs is right there. As always, I hope you enjoy that trick. That was Hiccup by Paul Harris, available on Art Astonishment Volume 2. I highly recommend getting all 3 volumes. It's a great set if you want to get into magic. It's one of my first book sets that I got into magic when I was a kid by my aunt and uncle. So it's highly recommended. You can get it at penguinmagic.com. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but it's totally worth the investment if you want to get good. So, again, that's you can learn that from Art Astonishment Volume 2. And as always, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay caffeinated. Peace.